Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect a button to another page in Framer. This is a fundamental skill that will help you create seamless navigation throughout your website, making it easy for visitors to move between different sections of your site. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where all your projects are stored and ready to be edited. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all your websites and projects displayed. Simply click on the website or project that you want to edit. This will open up your design workspace where you can make all the necessary changes to your site's navigation and functionality. Now that you're in your project, the first thing we need to do is locate the button that you want to link to another page. Click directly on that button to select it. You'll notice that when you click it, the button becomes highlighted, indicating that it's now active and ready for editing. After selecting the button, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find a panel with various settings and options. Look for the section labeled Button at the top of this panel. Under this heading, you'll see a lot of settings specifically related to that button, including styling options, animations, and importantly, linking capabilities. Scroll through these settings until you find the option labeled Link. Right next to this label, you'll see a button that says Add. Go ahead and click on that Add button. This action opens up the linking functionality, which is exactly what we need to connect our button to another page within your Framer site. Once you click Add, a new menu will appear showing you all the pages that currently exist in your Framer project. This makes it incredibly easy to set up internal navigation without having to manually type in URLs or worry about broken links. Simply browse through the list of pages and click on the page you want your button to connect to. As soon as you click it, the link will be established and your button will now redirect visitors to that specific page when they click it. And that's it. You've successfully connected a button to another page in Framer, creating a smooth navigation experience for your website visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.